everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Welcome to the early morning vlog. So early in the morning. Woo! Now that's some good stuff right there. Cool in the gang, summer madness. Summer is gone. We are now going into the fall, then winter. But that tune, if you don't know it, you don't have a clue, now you do. Cool in the gang, summer madness. Loving it. It's chill. It's relaxing. Got my coffee, got my breakfast, stopped off at Mickey D's. And I was looking for a tune to play during the early morning vlog that was just smooth. You know what I'm saying? Utilizing the front-facing cam on the Pocophone F1, 1080p, not in typical fashion. Let me know how it looks. You'll be able to see me from time to time. Street lights. Just wanted to say hi. Good morning. Just wanted to tell you all that I'm hoping that you're all going to have a great day today. Whatever you're going to be doing. Maybe you're going to stay home, watch football today. Maybe you're going to work. Whatever it is that you're going to do, make it a good day. Make it a good day, man. Don't look back on today and say, I wish I would have, or I wish I didn't. Start thinking about that now. Man, I'm getting excited. The Razer Phone 2. A few more days. Well, a little more than a few more days, but. And yes, it's going to look almost exactly like the first gen. The second gen to the first gen. But it has to, man. It has to dimensionally be the same for it to work with Project Linda and be able to dock into that laptop. It's got to be the same. The cameras have moved from the upper left-hand corner to the top center of the device. My thing is, so it doesn't become the topic of conversation, is that the cameras are amazing. That the only thing that we're going to hear about this device negatively is that it looks the same. But again, that has to be what it is. It is what it is, okay? For it to work the way it's supposed to. Again, with that laptop. And we're going to find out more about Project with it. But, you know, I mean, inside of the second gen Razer phone is where it's all going to happen, right? Well, you got your speakers in your display. And I'm sure that they're going to enhance in those areas, even though on my first gen Razer, everything's perfect, in my opinion. It's the smoothest device I've ever had here in my Project 13. I'm not kidding you, man. The 120 hertz refresh rate, amazing. I've had some smooth devices, but nothing beats the Razer phone when it comes to performance and functionality. Pretty much stock Android with that device. I mean, it's just smooth. No lag, no stick. It's feathery, velvety. Okay, I'll say buttery smooth, man. It's beyond buttery. It's just, it's organic. It's correct. It's depth. It's fresh. It is. I'm not kidding you, man. For those of you that have Razer, tell me if I'm wrong. So, you know, the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845, the latest and greatest. I wish it would have had the 855, but as of right now, it's going to have the latest and greatest. And along with that 120 hertz refresh rate, wow. Optimization on that device should be spectacular like it is right now in the first gen. love that, man. I love that. Chroma LED lighting for your visual enjoyment will be on that second gen Razer phone, especially for you gamers. Glow in the dark logo on the back beneath the cameras. I mean, that's not practical, but it's cool. You know, I wish they just would have come out with a bunch of different colors. Wouldn't that have been cool, man? I mean, and maybe they will. I don't know. Maybe I should be waiting to say all of this. Maybe they come out with a few different colors. But that would be definitely sweet. And it's going to be a powerhouse monster device. And whatever they tweak, they tweak. Like I said, I just hope that the cameras are amazing right out of the box. Whether you're taking pictures, shooting video, that is not that negative conversation we're having with this device. The cameras are working just fine. They're doing the job with my Razer phone, first gen. Software update after update, it gets the job done, man. And I've said it time and time again. But that's just an area on the second Razer phone that I'm really hoping they just take care of, and whatever they choose to price this device at, however they market it, that it's done right, that they've learned from the first time around. Now that we're expecting more, and it's not going to be in the look. I mean, it's a 16:9 aspect ratio. It's not going to go to 18:9. Okay, so we're going to get that same design, but where we want all the magic to happen is underneath the hood and in those camera areas. So visually, they're going to enhance the display. They're going to enhance your audio quality. Battery life. Hopefully that's going to be better for some of you that thought it could have better battery life. For me, it didn't bother me. If I had to, I'd plug in, fast charge, it's cool. It's not going to have a headphone jack. It's going to have a dongle. Fingerprint reader on the side. Doubling up with the power button. I'm pretty sure. I mean, there was no mention of that changing, so we'll see. We'll see. Anyway, I'm just chit-chatting, man. I'm just chit-chatting for those of you that jump into the early morning vlog. Let me know your thoughts. I just wanted to shoot a little video, say hello to everybody. Just thank you all for being a part of Team My Project 13. And yeah, I'm just getting excited. So it's just one of those conversations that I had up here that I wanted to share with all of you. And I appreciate you coming on by. And I wanted to shoot some more video with the Pocophone F1. Got my ZTE Axon 7 right here, back in the house. Tony Pazzo says, back in the building. All right, everybody. I'm out. God bless. Thanks for coming on by. Yeah, we're going to let it out with that. Peace.